Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success Home Tutor. Today we are watching some short forms and their long forms. Listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. So I wish you will watch my video carefully. Now I am starting. DM, the long form of DM, disaster management. DM, the long form of DM, disaster management. Next, NCERT, the long form of this short form, National Council of Education, Research and Training. This is the long form of NCERT. Next, UNP, National Political Council. National Political Council. This is the long form of NP. It's the most important. Long form. NASA. 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 NASA, the long form of NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is the long form of NASA. Next, NJC. NJC, the long form of NJC, National Judicial Commission. This is the long form of NJC. Next, ATM, Automated Teller Machine. The long form of ATM, Automated Teller Machine. Next, WTO, World Trade Organization. This is the World Trade Company. Everyone is knowing that. And now we have watched here the long form of WTO, World Trade Organization. Next, WHO, World Health Organization. This is the most important question or short form. Here we have watched the long form of the short form, World Health Organization. Next, UNO, long form of UNO, United Nations Organization. This is the long form of UNO. Most important question. Next, WEF, World Economic Forum. The long form of WEF, World Economic Forum. Next, SARS, SARS, SARS. The long form of SARS, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. This is the long form of SARS. So students, we have watched today some short forms and their long forms here, and I think that you have like this video. And now I am completing my short lecturing here. So you like, share and subscribe our channel. Namaskar.